5 seconds to go. Social media marketing. There has been a huge explosion in business social media marketing used to engage effectively with consumers, and as such, there is a lot of research and literature on the impact of social media on organizations. This has been brought about by the remarkable increase in the progression and adoption of technology, demanding that business rethink their digital marketing strategies. The aim of this article is to critically review social media marketing and to analyze the reasons behind its success. The article further aims to discuss the models and frameworks that support successful social media strategies for organizations, both large and small. This essay offers a platform that would enable the reader to understand the need for this research and also provides a background about recent developments about in the industry and in research circles with respect to social media branding. The rapid development of technology and the reach of such technologies at affordable costs have revolutionized the in which businesses operate today. The internet is being used by millions of people at this very moment. Therefore, these technologies have led to a paradigm shift in the way that communication happens. Business reputation and presence in a market is more driven by social media. It can also be noted that the shift and focus on social media had been drastic, and many businesses have been caught off guard. However, the use of social media has created opportunities for online marketers to engage with customers who they would not otherwise have been able to reach using traditional marketing methods. This reach should, though, has posed many challenges to businesses that have viewed social media like any other traditional media, such as magazine or television, thus causing wider gaps rather than bringing them closer to the consumers. On the contrary, it can be said that more and more retailers and businesses are becoming increasingly aware of social media and are waiting to exploit the potential that it offers. Social media is a relatively new form of marketing that just about every business today is at least aware of, if not already utilizing it in some forum or another. The global fixation with social media or social networking, as it is often referred to, can be easily compared to the hysteria of the internet revolution in the 1990s. As reported by Mangold, this marketing medium differentiates from the traditional communication channels in terms of reach, frequency, and immediacy, with the most obvious difference being user generated content. It is perhaps not surprising why businesses across the world are investing in this new form of communication to reach their consumers and stakeholders. Searching on the terms social media sites or social networking on only internet search engine brings up dozens of networks, including the popular Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. The list appears endless. Expenditure on social media by business is on the rise. A recent study by the IAB shows that in the first half of 2014, in the UK alone, there has been a rise of 53% in the speed on social media by businesses with a total contribution of 242.5 million. Another study by IAB on FMGC sector consisting of more than 4500 survey responses and 800 interviews showed that 90% of customers would buy products that have good social media coverage and 83% would be willing to try products that are popular in social media. A research study conducted by Mass Relevance that provides a social media curation platform to clients found that the 59% of consumers will more likely trust a brand that has presence in social media, and 64% of the consumers interviewed have already made purchase based on social media presence and reviews. Appendix 1 shows the social media advertising effects on consumers. It takes the reader through the funnel metaphor that was previously being used by marketers to understand how consumers select their products and how this has moved to a more open ended approach whereby consumers no longer follow a methodical approach to selecting products. It stresses how important it is for brands of connect with consumers, and it also studied the consumers' decisions across five different countries, namely automobile, skincare, insurance, mobile, telecommunications, and electronics across three different continents. Based on the results of the study, it proposed a four-stage model that focuses on today's consumers using social media for advocating products and also purchasing based on the reviews and backing received. The research takes the reader through the entire customer journey and informs businesses what they should not focus energy and resources on. Providing statistical information about various surveys enables organizations to identify the key areas they should concentrate on in order to build a social brand image online. From the above, it can be understood that social media has a profound impact on consumer. Stop.